Hello children. In the previous part, we learnt about the characteristics like growth, respiration, excretion, responsiveness to stimuli. Now, we will learn the next characteristic, that is reproduction. In this process, living things reproduce other living things like them. Humans and some animals like horse, cow, dog, etc. give birth to their young ones. Animals that give birth to their young ones are known as viviparous, whereas some animals like ostrich, hen, birds lay eggs and their young ones hatch out of these eggs. These types of animals are known as oviparous. Plants also reproduce. They reproduce either through seeds, leaves, or stem. Plants like papaya, jackfruit reproduce through seeds. Plants like cactus, rose, ginger reproduce through stem or leaves. But my dear children, do you know why is it so important to reproduce? Because all living things have a definite lifespan. When a living thing is born, it goes through the process of growth. During growth, the body and other organs of the living things develop after certain years. The living things become developed enough and is capable of reproduction. Later on in life, that is at older age, the organs and body becomes weaker and weaker, and eventually life comes to an end. That means all living things die. The lifespan of different living things are different. For example, the lifespan of a dog is 12 to 18 years, ostrich 50 years, elephant 70 years. Our next characteristic is cellular structure. Look at this house. What is the most essential requirement to build a house or any building? Yes, you are right. We need bricks to build a house. So, we can say the brick is the smallest unit of the house. Similarly, papers are the smallest unit of a book. You cannot make a book without papers. And likewise, alphabets are the smallest unit of a paragraph. We humans and all living things are made up of something. We too have a smallest unit. Smallest unit of a living thing is a cell. We are made up of cell. Some living things are made up of single cell. These are called unicellular organisms. On the other hand, the living things that are made up of many cells are called multicellular organisms. The amoeba and some other microorganisms are unicellular, while man, cow, cockroach, elephant, banyan tree, etc. are all multicellular organisms. All the characteristics of a living thing are seen in every cell of the living thing, whether it is unicellular or multicellular. That means our body is made up of thousands and thousands of cells, and each cell follows all the characteristic of living things. Each cell grows, excretes, reproduces, and responds. So, you can imagine so many functions are happening in your body without you even realizing. Moving forward, these were the characteristic of living things. Our next subtopic is useful and harmful living things. Animals are also useful to us. Dogs, cat, cow, buffalo are kept for domestic uses. Fish, sheep are used as food, while animals like horses, camel prove useful in various occupations. The earthworm is very useful in agriculture. Plants are also useful to us. Plants are used for household as well as industrial purposes. For example, methi, potato, banana, apple, etc. are used as food, whereas aloe vera, adulsa, etc. are used as medicine. Some animals and plants around us are harmful to man. For example, mosquitoes and flies spread diseases. Cockroaches, rats, etc. destroy our food. Some animals spread diseases. The bites of some poisonous spider, snake can even cause death. Some plants or weeds are harmful to us. They spoil our garden. Few plants cause itching. The Dhatura plant is poisonous. Uncontrolled growth of fungi or algae in water pollutes the drinking water and also causes disease. Wild animals are those animals who hunt other animals for their food. They are called predators. For example, tiger, lion, wolf, leopards, etc. Sometimes, due to deforestation, such animals enter human settlements in search of food and end up killing many domestic animals or even people. And with this, our chapter ends here. Thank you.